She became known as YouTube Mom, arrested for abusing her 7 fostered, then adopted children. But tonight, a major update. Both of Michelle Hobson's biological sons have been charged with child sex crimes.
ABC15 investigator Zach Crenshaw has been looking into this case for years and exposing how authorities have repeatedly failed those kids.
In 2021, we exposed the police and DCS failure to intervene and rescue the kids from Hobson's home, despite more than a dozen prior reports. At that point, I also discovered multiple victims told detectives they were sexually abused by Hobson's adult sons. But the police investigations didn't lead to charges until we started asking questions. When Michelle Hobson was arrested for starving, beating, and pepper spraying her adopted kids, her adult biological sons, Logan and Ryan Hackney, were also booked into jail.
You're aware of why we're here? For the most part.
For failing to report the abuse.
Is this Ryan?
Logan.
Oh, okay. Okay, hi, I'm Pam.
But the brothers, who played a major role in producing the popular YouTube videos the younger kids were forced to perform in, quickly had their Pinal County charges dropped.
If we can't prove the case, we will not bring it.
Now, 4 years later, they're facing new felonies in Maricopa County.
The grand jury has indicted you on the following felony offenses.
See, in 2019, multiple victims told Maricopa police they were sexually abused by the brothers.
No, I should have told no matter what. But even if I told, nobody would believe me.
We've changed that victim's voice to protect their identity. But Maricopa police did submit charges to the Pinal County Attorney's Office. They just declined to prosecute at the time. And not all of the alleged abuse happened in Maricopa. Victims say some crimes took place in Mesa. But Maricopa PD never passed that info along until we started pressing. Their internal investigation states a media inquiry raised concerns that the information may not have been relayed to the Mesa Police Department.
It's important that law enforcement, when they receive information from a child about sexual abuse, that they follow up on it.
When Maricopa PD did finally share the abuse disclosures more than 2 years later, Mesa sex crimes detectives quickly discovered 2 more victims, all of them hesitant to speak up, with one telling investigators, quote, "Justice does not get served."
You've got multiple victims telling the same story.
Robert Pastor is a Valley attorney who specializes in abuse cases.
The adults who were there to protect them failed in their responsibility.
Ryan is now facing 2 counts of sexual conduct with a minor. Logan charged with 4 counts of the crime. When one victim was asked what should happen to Logan, they responded, he needs to pay for what he has done and go to jail. Now about Michelle Hobson. She died in 2019 awaiting trial. As for Maricopa PD's delay, after we exposed their failure to promptly refer the case, the department made policy changes to ensure it doesn't happen again. I'm investigator Zach Crenshaw, ABC15 Arizona.